Welcome to the Math School by IFRA. In this video, we are going to discuss Cambridge O-Levels Maths Mathematics Syllabus D Paper 1 for the session May-June 2023. And this paper is of 2 hours. Let's have a look at some of the instructions. Answer all questions. Use a black or dark blue pen. You may use an HB pencil for any diagrams or graphs. Write your name, center number and candidate number in the boxes at the top of the page. Write your answer to each question in the space provided. Do not use an erasable pen or correction fluid. Do not write on any barcodes. Calculator must not be used in this paper. Again, calculators must not be used in this paper. You may use a tracing paper and you must show all necessary working clearly. The total marks for this paper is 80. Okay, let's have a look at the first question. Work out 1234.4 divided by 8. We multiply the numerator and denominator by 10. What do we get? We get 12344 over 80. Simplifying this expression, we get 1543 over 10. And we get 1543 divided by 10 is 154.3. So the answer is 154.3. Okay. The next part B is 3 by 7 of 56. Of means multiplication. So that means 3 by 7 multiplied by 56. That is equal to 7 1 are 7, 7 8 are 56. Simplifying this fraction, we get 3 times 8 over 1, which is 24, which is 24 given. Okay, question number 2. Write down the fraction of this 3 by 3 square that is shaded. Okay, now this square is 3 by 3. And the part of the shaded region is 1, half means 1, and this shaded region and this shaded region makes 1 whole. So it's 3 whole. And the total is 9. So 3 by 9 or 1 by 3 of the square is shaded. Evaluate 0.5 square. 0.5 times 0.5 is 0.25. So the answer is 0.25. Okay, the diagram is not drawn to scale. The diagram shows 4 straight lines meeting at a point. Work out the value of x. The sum of the angles at a point is 360 degrees. So 120 plus 90 plus 40 plus x is 360 degrees. 120 plus 90 plus 40 is 250. So 250 plus x is 360. So x is 360 minus 250, which is 110 degrees, is basically the answer. Okay, ABC is a straight line and BCD is an equilateral triangle. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the value of y. Now since it is an equilateral triangle, so each angle is equal to 60 degrees. So y plus 60 is 180 degrees and y is equal to 180 minus 60, that is equal to 120 degrees. So the answer is 120 degrees. Okay, Benjamin's age is t years. Maryam is 5 years younger than Benjamin. Write an expression for Maryam's age in terms of t. Now since Benjamin is t years old and Maryam is 5 years younger than Benjamin, so the expression for Maryam's age is t minus 5 years. Part 2. Colin's age is twice Benjamin's age. Write an expression for Colin's age in terms of t. Now since Benjamin is t years old, so Colin's age will be 2t years. Now part B. Given that A is 3, B is minus 2, evaluate 5A minus 2B. Now putting in the values of A and B to be 3 and minus 2, we put in the value in the expression. So we get 5A minus 2B is equal to 5 times 3 minus 2 times minus 2. So 15 plus 4 is 19. So the answer of this expression is 19 when we put in the values of A and B. Question number 5. Insert one set of brackets to make the calculation correct. So we will put the brackets around 3 and 5. So we get 5 plus 3, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. Part B. Insert plus, minus and multiplication sign to make the calculation correct. Okay, so 3 times 15 minus 2 plus 7 is equal to 20 because 3 times 5 minus 2 plus 7 is equal to 20. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 minus 2 is 13. 13 plus 7 is 20. Okay, complete the pattern so that AB is the only line of symmetry. I have completed the pattern and it is showing that AB is the only line of symmetry in this case. Okay, here are 5 temperatures in degrees Celsius. Minus 18, minus 21, minus 2, 17 and 10, minus 10. Write these temperatures in order from coldest to hottest. So the coldest temperature is minus 21. Then it's minus 18, then it's minus 10, then it's minus 2, and then it's 17 degrees Celsius. Work out a temperature that is 5 degrees colder then minus 18 degrees Celsius. So we will subtract 5 from minus 18 degrees Celsius. So minus 18 minus 5 is equal to minus 23 degrees Celsius. Okay, our rope is cut into 3 pieces with a length in the ratio 3:5:4. Find the length of the shortest piece. The length of the shortest piece is given to be 180 centimeter. Find the length in centimeter of the longest piece. Length of the shortest piece is given to be 180. So let x be the length of the entire rope. So 3x over 12 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 12 times 180 over 3, that is 720. So the length of the rope is 720 and the length of the longest rope is equal to, we will take the highest ratio, which is 5. So 5 over 12 into 720, which is 300. So the length of the longest rope in centimeter is 300. Find the total length of the rope. We already calculated the total length of the rope in part A, which is 720 centimeter or 7.2 meters. Okay, the diagram shows triangles A and B. Describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A into triangle B. Onto triangle B. So how is A mapped onto triangle B? We have 90-degree clockwise rotation. Only then triangle A will be mapped to triangle B. Okay, let's move on to question number 10. Work out 1 whole 1/3 times 8 over 9. Give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. So 4/3 into 8/9 is equal to 32 over 27, and that is equal to 1 whole 5 over 27 is our answer. Now Kate has a bunch of grapes. She ate 1/4 of the grapes in the morning. She ate 2/3 of the grapes in the afternoon. Work out the fraction of the grapes that she has not eaten. Fraction of the grapes not eaten is 1 minus 1/4 minus 2/3. 1 minus 1/4 is 3/4. 3/4 minus 2/3 is 1 over 12. So the answer is 1 over 12. The fraction of the grapes that she has not eaten is 1 over 12. Solve the inequality. Question number 11. X minus 5 is greater than 3x plus 7. X minus 3x, I move 3x, so on the left hand side is greater than 7 plus 5. So I move 5 towards the right hand side, so 7 plus 5 is 12. So x minus 3x is minus 2x is greater than 12. 2x is less than minus 12 because I moved a negative sign towards the right hand side, so inequality gets flipped. And x is less than minus 6 is our answer. Ali keeps a record of the computer games he plays. And question number 12. Out of the first 6 games, Ali wins 4. Out of the first 20 games, Ali wins 13. Use these results to find the best estimate from the probability that Ali will not win the next computer games. Probability that Ali wins the computer games is 13 over 20. So probability that he will not win the game is 1 minus 13 over 20, which is 7 over 20. Part B. A spinner is spun n times. The spinner lands on red 14 times. The relative frequency of the spinner landing on red is 0.2. Find the value of n. So 14 over n is 0.2. 14 over 0.2 is n. N is 70 is our answer. Okay, let's move on to question 14. Expand and simplify. 5 times 3x minus 2 minus 3 times 2x minus 3. So 5 times 3x is 15x minus 5 times 2 is 10. Minus 3 times 2x is 6x, minus minus plus 3 3s are 9. 15x minus 6x is 9x, and minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1. Okay, part B. 2x plus 3 times x minus 7. 2x times x minus 7 plus 3 times x minus 7. 2x minus x, 2x times x is 2x square, minus 2x times 7 is 14x, plus 3 times x minus 3 times 7 is 21. So 2x square minus 11x minus 21 is the answer of this simplified expression. Okay, next question number 15. These are the first 4 terms of the sequence 1, 7, 13 and 19. Find an expression in terms of n for the nth term of the sequence. Now the nth term is given to be as a plus n minus 1 into d, where tn is the nth term, a is the first term which is 1, n minus 1 is to be calculated, and d, the difference is d. So 1 plus 6n minus 6 is equal to 6n minus 5 is the nth term of this sequence. Okay, OMN is the sector of the circle center O. The diagram is not drawn to scale. And ON is the radius, which is 20 centimeter, and the area of the sector is given to be 30 pi centimeter square. Find the value of x. Area of the sector is given to be as x over 360 into pi r square. 30 pi is given, x over 360 into pi, r is 20 in times 20. Pi gets cancelled out, 30 into 360 is equal to, the is equal to sign is missing over here, 400x. X is equal to 30 into 36 over 4. The 0 zeros get cancelled out and the angle is 27 degrees. Okay, the mass of the planet Saturn is 5.7 times 26 kg. Mass of the planet Venus is 4.9 times 24, 10 to the power 24 kg. Calculate the difference in mass between Saturn and Venus. Give your answer in standard form. Now I take 10 to the power 24 common. Now 5.7 times 2 into 10 to the power 2 minus 4.9 is equal to 10 to the power 24 into 570 minus 4.9, which is 565.1 times 24. And in standard form, it's 5.651 times 10 to the power 26 is basically our answer. Question number 18. Y is equal to square root x plus 2 over 3. Rearranging the formula to make x the subject. Now we square both the sides. So we get y square is equal to x plus 2 over 3. 3 times y square is equal to 3y square is equal to x plus 2. And x is equal to 3y square minus 2. Okay. A and B are the 2 points on the circumference of the circle. And with center O. TA and TB are tangents to the circle. Show that triangles OBT and OAT are congruent. Give a reason for each statement you make. Now OA is equal to OB because OA is equal to OB because equal radii. Then AT is equal to BT, equal tangents. AT and BT are equal tangents. And OAT is equal to OBT because the tangents are perpendicular to the radii. So the congruency has been achieved. And side angle side property using SAS property, side angle side property. Okay, if fx is equal to 10 plus 7x, find f inverse x. Let fx is equal to y. So 7x is equal to y minus 10. X is equal to y minus 10 over 7. F inverse y is equal to x is equal to y minus 10 over 7. And f inverse x is equal to x minus 10 over 7. So this is basically our answer. Question number 21. The diagram shows two rectangles ABCD and PQRS. Okay, and rectangle ABCD is mathematically similar to rectangle PQRS. AB is 12, BC is 9 cm and PQ is 8. Find the shaded area. I have all the dimensions of the rectangle ABCD, but I don't have the dimensions of rectangle PQRS. So I need to calculate the side QR. Since both the rectangles are similar, so 12 over 8 is equal to 9 over QR, and QR is calculated to be as 6 centimeter. And area of the shaded region is equal to area of rectangle ABCD minus area of the rectangle PQRS. That is equal to 12 times 9 minus 8 times 6. So 108 minus 48 is 60 centimeter square is the area of the shaded region. Okay, let's move on to question number 22. Factorize 7y plus 2xy minus 6x minus 21. So that is equal to y, taking y common, 7 plus 2x minus 3, 2x plus 7. So y times 7 plus 2x minus 3, 7 plus 2x, and 7 plus 2x in times y minus 3 is the factorized form. 3a square minus 12b square, we take 3 common, a square minus 4b square, that is in the form of a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So that is equal to 3 times a plus 2b times a minus 2b. Okay, the attendance of a cricket match is 36,000, correct to the nearest thousand. Write down the minimum number of people at the cricket match. The minimum number of people at the cricket match is 35,500. The number of males attending the match is 21,000, correct to the nearest 500. Find the maximum number of females that could be attending the cricket match. The maximum number of females can be calculated when we have the minimum number of males. So 36,499 minus 2,750 is equal to 15,749 is our answer. So these are the solutions of the past papers May June 2023. Stay tuned for more past papers and practice on your own. Thank you.